Hey, it's Mr. Burns here. We're going to talk today in this video about the conclusion paragraph to your Citizenship DBQ. This sometimes is one of the more challenging parts of the essay to write for some of you because you don't know how to wrap it up. You might just want to say in conclusion. You don't want to say in conclusion, okay? I know it's the last paragraph. You know it's the last paragraph. You don't need to say that. One thing that they suggest here is to have an although statement to start your conclusion paragraph. And what that means is, in this case, it might be although there's no one perfect mix or no one perfect way to organize the 1,000 settlers. And then you would go into a statement where you justify what you chose. You know, I believe that, you know, my mix of X amount of personally responsible, Y amount of participatory, and Z amount of justice-oriented is the perfect mix for the lunar colony. And you might want to talk about why, you know, you state that. So you want to do, you know, discuss that maybe there are many ways to organize the 1,000 settlers, but and then kind of justify your choice of the three types of citizen, or justify your choice of the breakdown of the three types of citizens, and then maybe you want to explain why once again you decided on this breakdown. And again, this is going to be 3 or 4 sentences. Do you need to cite anything here? If you're bringing something from the background essay, if you're bringing something from the document specifically, yes. If you're just kind of going through and discussing and stating your opinions and justifying, then maybe not. But there's not one right way to do your conclusion. But this is something that these are some ideas to help you better organize it. Again, there's no one right way. But don't say in conclusion, this is the best way, and just end it. You know, go into a little bit of detail, justify a little bit, kind of bring something in from what you've written, and make sure you mention your numbers in here, and make sure they add up to 1,000 again, and you'll be fine, okay? So if you have any questions about the conclusion, you can always ask me while you're writing. Watch this video again, hopefully that helps, and good luck. Submit when you're done, okay? And make sure you've gone back and checked that you've sourced all of your whole essay. Thank you.